Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and on this video I'm going to show you how to hide your last seen online, and also to explain a little bit more the reason why you cannot see your last seen online. Now the reason why I have two different videos here is to show you from this phone and also to make example on this other phone. So let's start with opening WhatsApp on this area and also WhatsApp on this area. These two accounts are actually different for some reason. Now when you open this, you can see clearly that this person says online, right? And then if you open, you can also see that this says online. Now if I decide to close this, it should change, and you can see the last seen today is 3:24, which is also 3:24, which is just right now, few seconds ago. Now after a while, it's going to update and show few minutes ago. Now if you want to disable this option, or if you disable this option, what will happen? Let me open it again so that you guys will see. Now I just opened it. It should show online right now. You can see online. So now if you want to disable this option, click on this three-dotted icon, go over to settings, and then go to the privacy area, and you can see last seen online option. Go ahead and say nobody, or you select some contact, or you select an accept. So you can leave this to also who can see when I'm online to last seen, which is the same thing with this one. So if you set this, just note that this person will not be able to see you, and you also will not be able to see the person. So you can see that it is not displaying online anymore, and it's also not displaying here. This is just how it works. If you want to disable it for any reason, you can just go and also deselect or select it back, and it's going to be fine. So this is actually how to disable your last seen online, and let me know if this works, and if it is, don't forget to smash like, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.